In this video, you'll learn how to import a private key to your Phantom wallet. Successfully completing this process allows you to access your cryptocurrency assets stored under that key. First, start by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the application launches, you will be greeted by the main interface, which displays your current wallet balance and recent transactions. Next, locate the settings icon. This icon is typically represented by a gear symbol and can be found in the bottom navigation bar. Click on this icon to access the settings menu. After that, select the option labeled Manage Accounts. This will take you to a screen where you can view all your current accounts associated with the wallet. Now, click on the button that says Add Import Account. This option allows you to add new accounts or import existing ones using various methods, including a private. From the available options, choose Import Private Key. This selection will prompt you to enter your private key. Make sure you have the key copied to your clipboard for easy pasting. Paste your private key into the designated input field. Ensure that the key is complete and correctly formatted, as any errors may prevent successful import. Once pasted, verify that the key appears as expected. Finally, click the import button to complete the process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully imported. If there are any issues, double check your private key for accuracy. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.